Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to get 40 free listings on Etsy so you can start your shop without spending anything upfront. If you didn't know, Etsy normally charges 20 cents per listing, which can add up fast. But there's a simple way to skip that cost, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, you need a special referral link. Etsy gives free listings when you sign up through someone else's invite. So step 1. Find a valid Etsy referral link. You can get one from a friend, another seller, or even in the description below this video. Method 1. Get 40 free listings creating new Etsy account. To get the referral link, you can search on YouTube how to get 40 free listing on Etsy and choose a video on this subject. Then, go to the description box and you'll find the link. Once you have the link, click on it and send an invite to the email address that will be used to create the new Etsy account. Important. Make sure you don't already have an Etsy seller account, or the free listings won't apply. Sign up fresh, enter your details, and start setting up your shop like normal. After your shop is created, Etsy will automatically add 40 free listings to your account. You may not see them as a credit, but when you publish listings, you simply won't be charged until you use all 40. Quick tip. Use these free listings wisely. Don't just upload random products. Focus on items with good demand, strong keywords, and clean designs. This gives you a much better chance to make sales right away. Method 2. Get 40 free listings for your existing Etsy shop. If you already have an Etsy account, you can send an invite to another person using your own referral link. The person accepting the invite must create a new Etsy account in order to get 40 free listings for both of you. You can find on the description box all the information about the referral link that you can use freely to get your 40 free listings on Etsy. That's it. Super simple, and it can save you money when starting your Etsy journey. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.